Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a Dollar Tree challenge. So there is no inspiration because we are the inspiration. We want to thank our community member Courtney for sending us her very short and sweet request. She said simply, purple pampas grass. So that's what we came up with. Most of the items to create this centerpiece were found at the Dollar Tree and gives us a total cost of less than $30 per centerpiece. I'm so excited to show you how we created this fantastic purple summer Dollar Tree challenge wedding centerpiece. Ooh, that's a mouthful. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's get started. We have two Dollar Tree items that are going to create our vase. One is this decorative clear bowl and the other is this wine goblet. Now, the wine goblet, they do not sell it online. So you have to actually go into the Dollar Tree, but don't worry, I have an alternative link for you. Next, we're going to use these styrofoam discs. Now, I didn't have 2 3-inch ones, but so I used, I improvised, and I used one that was 4 inches and one that was 3 inches, but 2 3-inch works just fine. You simply adhere them together with hot glue and then adhere it to the bottom of the bowl, also with hot glue. Finally, we're going to take our gem bits and we're going to surround the outside. That way it camouflages the styrofoam so you don't see it and it doesn't distract your guests from your beautiful centerpiece. So there you have it, Courtney. How do we do? Not only is this stunning, it is so cost effective. You get a medium to tall size centerpiece for under $30. Guys, that's really unheard of. So I feel like we should give ourselves a little pat on the back. We did it. We met our Dollar Tree challenge. Well, if you like this centerpiece, please by all means like us and follow and subscribe so you know when our next video is posted, the moment it is posted. And don't forget that if we can help you with a question or a comment, go ahead and put it down there in our comment section. We have a fantastic DIY community. It does take me a while to get to all the comments, guys. I do read them, I do see them. I just have to get it on my schedule to answer them. But if I don't answer soon enough, don't worry. We have a community member that will answer them for me. If you'd like to hang out some more, head on over to our social media and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. They pay you to shop. Simply go down to the link, click on it, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign onto your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check in the mail for your shopping efforts. It is really that simple. Well, guys, our time is coming to an end. It is such a pleasure to hang out with you. Before I go, I want to remind you that all of the links to all of the supplies for this project as well as others are always listed in the description right below the video. Just click in that description box and you will find all the links there for your leisure and pleasure to use. In addition to that, you can click on that little icon in the corner and go to our website, MissPlanet.com, where you will find written and picture instructions for most of our videos, as well as more cost-saving tips. In addition to that, you can click on that link and it will take you to our project request where you can submit your project request. Now, I do say put them in sooner than later, and I will tell you that our schedule for the 2023 year is pretty much full, so start looking for 2024 for us to be able to help you. Well, guys, I just want to thank you once again for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and we do not take you hanging out with us lightly. So until next time, please always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.